parents with school-age children need to think about when it comes to their estate planning and their wills?
Definitely the children. Wills are certainly there to cover off on the decision makers, make sure that all the roles of you not being there are covered. And children are obviously a very, very important aspect of your life. So if you're not there, if there are no parents left there to look after the kids, what does that look like? And in a will, the role is a testamentary guardian. So one of the really important things that you would need to cover off in a will is who would actually have care of your kids if none of you are around. And for some people, it's grandparents, or it might be your siblings, or in some cases, it's actually just really close friends where the kids have formed a relationship with their kids, and they think that that's going to be the most appropriate, or even just the most closely linked upbringing to what you would otherwise be able to give your children. I had a really sad call yesterday from one of the family members of a client that passed, and both of these clients had been in a car accident. They had a couple of young kids, and the call unfortunately was from a dispute resolution perspective, because both grandparents had been in huge disputes about who actually gets to look after these kids, but no one had actually looked at the will, which is obviously a very, very big thing. And luckily, these two parents had actually put in their wills what would happen if both of them are gone, in terms of the testamentary guardian for these girls that they had left. And just providing that clarity, and having it within a legal document of what happens when these people were gone, actually was of massive, massive benefit to the entire family, because suddenly the disputes didn't seem so important, because the wishes of the parents could be taken into consideration and enacted.